All right, hi friends. So today we're going to use all those adding and subtracting strategies we've learned this week, and we're going to compare some penguins. So let's look at our first problem here. So we have a picture, okay? And we see some penguins on the ice and some penguins in the water. And at the bottom of each picture, they're going to tell us what's happening. So it says 7 penguins are standing on the ice, 5 penguins are swimming in the water. So we need to keep that in mind to solve these problems. So we have a couple questions we have to solve here. So let's start with the first one. How many more penguins are on the ice than in the water? This one is going to review something that we did a little while ago. So, how many more penguins are on the ice than in the water? So, we know we have 7 penguins standing on the ice and 5 penguins swimming in the water. So, let's pull out our number rack and let's show that. So, we have 7 penguins on the ice and 5 penguins in the water. And I'm going to take my pen here and I'm going to compare these two numbers to find out how many more are standing on the ice. So I'm going to go through, and where I don't see them pairing up anymore, where there's no longer a match, I'm going to make a line. Remember we did this on our number racks. You put your pencil in between. So how many more penguins are standing on the ice? So we paired these off. What do I have left that does not have a partner here? Good, 2. So I have 2 penguins that are not on the ice. So how many more? 2. Okay, our answer there is 2. How many more penguins would need to be in the water to match the number on the ice? Well, how many more penguins were on the ice? 2. So if I look back at my number rack, how many beads would I have to have down here to match this? Yeah, I'd have to have 2 more beads here, right? So that, again, is 2. 2 more would have to be in the water. How many penguins are there in all? So I have 7 plus my 5 more. So let's add that up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 penguins in all, okay? Not too bad. Let's do the next one. 8 penguins are standing on the ice. 10 penguins are swimming in the water. So they want to know how many more penguins are in the water than on the ice. So now we're going to compare these two numbers, okay? So we're going to have our number rack, and we have 8 penguins. Oh, let me clear this. We had 8 penguins on the ice, right? And then, then we had 10 penguins in the water. So now I'm going to move over 10. So I have 8 in the ice, 10 in the water. I'm going to get my pen, and I'm going to separate where they don't line up anymore. So let's look. Where do we no longer have a pair? Right there. Okay. How many more in the water? Good. 2 more. Nice job. So 2 more are in the water than on the ice. How many more penguins would need to be on the ice to match? So if we wanted to match those, we would need 2 more beads to be moved over here, right? And then we would have our match. So 2 more would have to be in there. How many penguins in all? So we have 8 plus 10. So let's go back to our number rack. Okay. What is 8 plus 10? Good, it is 18. Very nice. Okay, let's look at our next one here. Ooh, these are getting trickier. Ready? Now we have some question marks. It says 4 penguins are swimming in the water. There are 6 more penguins hiding behind the hill than there are in the water. So they want to know how many penguins are hiding behind the hill. We have 4 penguins in the water, and they said there's 6 more hiding behind the hill. So back here we'd have 4 plus 6 more. What is 4 plus 6? We can even go back to here and use our number rack. So what is 4 plus 6 more? Very good. 10. So we know there's 10 behind this hill. Okay, there's 10 back there. So how many penguins are hiding behind the hill? 10. How many penguins do we have in all? So now we have to add these 10 up here plus the 4 down here. So what is 10 plus 4 more? So now we have 10 plus 4 more. Good, 14. Nice job. We have 14 there. All right, let's go to the last one here. We have some penguins on the ice. We don't know what's back here. Let's see if we could figure it out. They want to know how many penguins are there in the water. So let's see. 9 penguins are standing on the ice. So we have 9. There are 6 more penguins standing on the ice than there are swimming in the water. Ooh. So we need to know how many are here. So let's go to our number rack this time, okay? So we have 9 penguins on the ice, and there's 6 more on the ice than there are in the water. So if we show 9 penguins that are standing on the ice, that's not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? And we know that there are 6 more than what's in the water. So we're going to pull over that 6, and we're going to see where these match up, because we need to know the how many more here. What is left here that doesn't match up? Very good, 3. There are 3 here because if I have 9 up here and there's 6 more up here than there is down here, that leaves me with 3. So there are 3 penguins in the water. How many in all? Well, I have 9 at the top plus 3 at the bottom. So let's see what that gives me. So let me move this over here. 9 at the top and 3 at the bottom. What is 9 plus 3? Well, let's replace. Make a group of 10. What we got there? Good, that's 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. Nice job, boys and girls. That was tricky, tricky, tricky. All right, I'm going to give you a couple to solve on your own. Please send me your answers when you are done. See you later.